We're going to talk about XRP and its price relative to Bitcoin because some analysts have predicted a $5 spike and Senator Lumen appears to be considering stablecoin legislation. One XRP whale has moved 287 million tokens. Does this indicate that the price is about to rise? Folks, I got your cover then. We're going to talk about the XRP fair value comparable to our boy Robbie Mitchell. Yes, he's referring to the same Robbie Mitchell as BlackRock. I find his topics interesting. Alright, everybody, let's jump right in. Into it, Bitcoin 63.9 Ethereum is currently down, but it has increased by 6% over the last 24 hours to 3067% USDT. Alright, Pegas. The USDC is now less than 99 cents. As of right now, the overall market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is only $316 billion, and we can't even return to 50. Where do we proceed from here? There will be dollars and pegas. All that remains is to chop, 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 chop. The market will only continue to chop. That's right, people. The directions are up, down, left, and right. That's what I'm going to do for the next few weeks to prepare for the impending market explosion in Q3 and Q4, when we should start to see some movement in all of the coins, including Bitcoin. I'm prepared for it. You're up for it. XRP. These are the moments we've been waiting for as the month draws to a close. It's a terrific deal to buy 3 Wild Wild West tier NFTs and receive a free NFT or potion to use in the lab. If you don't already have them, you should get them right now. You don't need to tell Chop. I know that. It's practically a buy 5, get 2 free offer if you purchase 5, since you will receive a complimentary minimalist along with a free potion. I mean, I just made that up, right? It isn't. The offer is to buy 5 and get 2 free. Who cares about these Wild West tiers allowing you to get your XRP back? All you have to do is purchase now to receive your XRP back on the 1st of every month, provided that you continue to transmit the cryptocurrency news report to my website. Published this May, by year's end, the cryptocurrency market is expected to reach NFT trillion. This article discusses ripples. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO, questioned what he was discussing. At that point, we also explored the price potential of XRP. A prediction of $520 following Bitcoin based on previous trends, as it indicates in here, XRP might theoretically reach 52 cents in a scenario remitting a prior market cycle article. If it were to duplicate its spectacular 942 gain to $52,021, starting from its current price of 50 cents. Nevertheless, market estimates differ. While some analysts are hesitant by such bullish forecasts, others propose even more ambitious PR aims for XRP. Historical data on market dynamics offers important insights into possible price fluctuations. Before making any financial decisions, it is imperative to view such projections with a critical perspective. What is the connection between conventional currency and cryptocurrency? And cryptocurrency, the stock market, is still changing, offering pot danger, as well as it's rather depressing for market players right now. That since 2017, I have been an investor. Many of you, I'm sure, are in the same time frame, some earlier, some later, but in or even if we witness a 10x increase in the majority of currencies and cryptocurrency. There will be so much over their all-time highs out there that it won't be amusing, but XRP will only be about $220 above its all-time high. We've really been through a lot. Then return with this coin. I am very excited for everything. I must complete the task to ensure XRP's satisfaction. To constantly be seated above high, after which we can all, at last, take what are those enormous fucking profits that we can't afford. What do we deserve? Miners of Bitcoin are traveling laughing. It declares that Bitcoin is up. The Accore report predicts that once small hash rates adjust to the decreased payouts of an ETF, the trend will resume. Has resumed. Bernstein in this passage, he says that he is endorsing the purchase of Bitcoin because they are just slightly altering the hash trade on the back end. I've been phoning, I'm with them. Bitcoin is going to take off. Everyone is starting to queue for May and June. How long now? From the market movements will occur in May and June. The broker kept a high estimate of $50,000 by the end of 2025, and I agree with it. I changed my Bitcoin goals. We moved from 100 to 1.5, and I believe the current range is 125 to 175. Might I be mistaken? Yes, indeed. Of course, but will it make you angry with me? If the price rises and I make a mistake, it won't be your fault. Is going to happen. You're actually going to think, rip. Man, did it really happen? You requested 125,000. Even if we are at 225,000, I am aware of how this market operates. When I anticipate and predict you, pay attention. Because I would rather be mistaken on the lower end, that is, if we are in the region of XRP 3 to 6, you know what perfect we earn profits if we go higher than 6, I am extremely positive. One will if I share my findings, I'm confident that someone will follow suit. We have successfully reached 6 of the 15 targets we are aware of. Remain positive, even though some of you will still be watching from the sidelines and will therefore miss the opportunity to sell. And we must prepare ourselves for any eventuality. In conclusion, everyone should be profiting from this bull market cycle. That's the end of it, and I don't care whether you keep 20% of the profits if you sell them all, you should definitely keep the money. U.S. Senator Loomis Gillibrand introduces a new bill that challenges stablecoin legislation. I like the new measure that Senators C.N. the Lumens and Krista Gillibrand unveiled on Wednesday to advance stablecoin laws. Move the needle on a sturdy coin and listen. Okay, let's take a closer look. What is the status of TATES when Ripple releases? Once Ripple releases its stablecoin, it can implement laws. Ripple to be? I believe Ripple would be a perfect fit for the bucks. Thinking about people. How about you? XRP cost when a whale transfers 28.7 million tokens, the XRP price will reach 60. Yes, it will indeed reach 60 cents. Cents are not at all, cents aren't a lot, so our goal is to earn 75 cents. We must break through and beyond 75 cents by the end of the year, ideally in May or June. Must be more than 130 for it to occur. If it doesn't happen, 2025 will be a long time coming. Recency, dude. I hate to admit it, but we are indeed cryptocurrency. Are we on the verge of witnessing something, or are we approaching the moon? Here's what he's observing. The boiling of bands is seen. Circles here, squeeze the prey. When it breaks out of the pattern, we typically observe a move to the upside. We've been discussing May and June, so on the plus side, I believe we will witness a shift if I were a Benton or Gamble man. People, everything is aligning so wonderfully. Release this, Ripple's equitable XRP valuation. How much is $250? Yes, feel free to yell at me. You can scream at Chad. Chad is the one who posted this, not us. This. According to Robbie Mitchneck, the head of BlackRock Digital Assets, where he was employed previously, XRP was created with the use case in mind. Cross-border remittances can amount to $1.3 billion per day, cross-border payments are $85 billion per day, and Forex is $5 trillion per day. Imagine if XRP just takes a small percentage of this, where the price is going to go, it's going to move, and it's going to do something absolutely parabolic. This is an enormously large market for cross-border payment facilitation. It will happen quickly, which is utterly crazy. Therefore, seeing pricing projections like these will be infuriating. Don't scream at the person who is tweeting him or the influencer who is promoting them. Instead, yell at the guy who used to work for Ripple but is now employed by BlackRock, as he is the one making the predictions.